Hey guys, welcome back new video. Today I want to talk about Galorify definitely growing up on online creating beautiful high competing logo image. Okay, so in my previous video was how to earn from Kilo and Canva. Link in description below. So we all want to create something free and then sell on Fiverr platform or other platform too. Okay, so I will show you how to do that in this video. Okay, first of all, you need to sign up this Glorify. By the way, this Glorify link will be in description. You just click on it and then come over this page and then sign up. Sign up just email and password. Okay, after you sign up, they will take you in this surprise in this page. Okay, so before I start video, I want to show you two things. Like you can see here, e-commerce, social media, and other. So you just click on e-commerce, and then you will go to the this page about the e-commerce. Okay, so you see some template over here. After you select one, just click on it, and then you will come directly to the editing page. But before that, I want to show you one more thing that learning. Okay, learning hub. So if you want to learn how to work on this page, how to work on this web page, and then just click on it, then you will get to the YouTube link. Okay, YouTube link. They have bunch of video. They are showing up how to edit on the Galorify app. Okay, that's good. So let's go. I want to show you manually how to work on it. After you come in Galorify, this is your dashboard. You file and create your own design or get your logo. But there is one more thing you can select it manually. Okay, custom type. Now I want to show you from here create your design. Click on that and then you need to wait a little bit. Sorry guys for my internet is slow. Okay, let's go. I want to show you again. Just click on it. They will show you some option here, so you can select one of them. Okay, I will select commerce image. Then wait for it to open. Because my net is so slow. Okay guys, now you can go for a design from this option they're showing up here, or you can go clearly from here, or you can do custom size from here. Okay, so for just for you guys, I just want to go in social media. Let's click here. Okay, after I click, I turn over this social media. Okay, social media page, and they have some template over here. You can select one of them, any of them. Like I want to select this one. Okay, after I select that, they show me that this page. Now, the system is here. You can see all picture are free. That the Canva or the Kindle, they have some free and some premium. That the interesting is very interesting. That actually you can use all the picture there and then is for free. Okay. So alright. So for any way you can do, you just select any template is you like if the any template you want to work on it, okay, just simply click on that picture, okay, keep going forward. Okay, after that you template loaded, then if you want to change you can see from here, or if you want some more you can find out there, or you can go all categories. Okay, all categories they're showing up, all the categories they have here, you can select one of them and you can go with them, or if you like. Okay, let's see. What it says like electronics. Okay, I found some electronics product here. So, example, I want to take this one. Okay, template is loaded. Awesome. Now I want to add some text over here. Or I want to add picture. Or I want to add logos. So you can see here, guys. They have text. Just okay, open your text bar. Okay, you can select any of text you want from here, or you can write it. So if you write it, so here, right. So for this that I want to click on. Okay, after open this picture, it's showing up here, so you can click, drag it over, and then make it Okay, after loading your picture, your template, and you can go like changing color and do some shadow at the bottom if I want to show you. Okay, here drop shadow. Just click here and then open drop shadow. You can see the drop shadow like that. Okay, and if you want like add some more text like click on it. Okay, up there it's loaded. You can change color. Like I want the white and color red. Okay, done. Okay, then you can change the font size or light or anything you want. There is a font size for your text, and you can change the font from here. Okay, you can see those font from here. So I don't want to make my video longer. I just want to show you this text over here. Okay, that text over here. Okay, after bringing the text in the footer on down, and then there is some more option. I want to show you that that's called background. Okay, so if you're on background and if you want to add your image from the machine, you can add, and then you can put some filter and all. But they have two option. One's called elements. The using of elements, there is the lots of elements you can display, and then if you want access to your design, you can have them. Okay, and there is the lots of that my files, like if you want to um, upload some files from the machine, then you can upload it from the machine. Okay, after you finish your design, what do? Just we go on download button here and click on it, and then select size you want to save your design, and then just click on it and then you create. So you save your design. So guys, at the end of the video, you know how helpful is Galorify. Okay, so I recommend you guys just come on this Galorify and just you design awesome, and then you can sell on it platform you want, like work like that. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, and hopefully you get some benefit from this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like. If you get any benefit from this video, please leave a comment and let me know. That would best help you. Okay, and you want comment that help me because to do more and more